Hi everyone, it's Lavinia. In today's video, I am sharing what I have made for this open collab. It's actually two. It's the hashtag Stamping Sunday, which is hosted by Thelma Hall, as well as the hashtag Stamp Play, which is hosted by Susan's Heartstrings. And I found these two collabs through Emily's Paper Caper. All of these ladies' channels will be listed in my description box. I definitely recommend checking out their channels, and if you want to jump in at any point in time for these collabs, it is fun. You're just sharing pretty much some stamps that you have. So what I have done is I made this card. This is an anniversary card, and I already have a tutorial on how I make this type of card. So if you want that or want to see that, definitely go ahead and check out that video. But this is just strictly for the stamps. So as far as for the paper that I used, this is from the 6x6 Paper Studio, and it's called Catherine, and it has a little bit of foil in here. So I don't know if you can see that sparkle. So I thought that this was really pretty paper, a little bit of pearlized paper. And then this is just double-sided cardstock, and I really like the tone of this paper. It's just very neutral, and I thought it would go well with this card. So just have that there. And then some of these stamps, some are from the Crafter's Companion layout collection, and some are from Recollection. So this is from the Crafter's Companion, these three hearts, and then this is from Recollections. And then when you open this card, this is also from the Crafter's Companion. So I thought that that was pretty. These champagne glasses along with a champagne bottle. And this is just a die cut. I cut out the scalloped circle. And then this one opens this way. You could always glue it if you wanted to, but I just like the fact that when you open it, then you also get the hearts there. So I will fill out my sentiment here and get that mailed out. So just these three stamps, and I used the ink, this purple palette. This is the French Lilac. So this is the one that I purchased on clearance at Hobby Lobby, along with two other ones. So really like this ink pad. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.